In the last tutorial, I showed you how to create a custom post type in WordPress, so you can easily create affiliate posts and manage everything on your website from one place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up automation to bring all the affiliate information into your website. This is part of series that guide you through automating your affiliate posts. I use software called TaskMagic to create a custom automation. I'll be using the Google Sheets I created throughout the series to put all the information into the custom post type on my website. The information I'm working with is about products I scraped from AppSumo, and I created the affiliate links using Impact. If you haven't watched the previous videos, it's a good idea to check them out, unless you're already familiar with TaskMagic. Just to make sure you have all the information to add a product, your Google Sheets should include the name of the product, the affiliate link, the QR code, a screenshot of the product page, or if available, the logo. Both images should be in separate columns with a file path from your computer. You should also have a short text description of the product, which you got from AppSumo. For the price, you can either scrape just the first tier and write starting from, or grab all the tiers from AppSumo. Start by opening TaskMagic on your computer. In the workspace I set up for this series, I add a new automation. This is the sixth automation, so I give it a number and a name like add affiliate post type or something similar. Next, I set the cookies for my website. Sometimes it works, sometimes doesn't, but it's worth trying. By the time I created the series, TaskMagic had added an extension to grab cookies. If you use TaskMagic and want to keep the login details for a website, this video will show you how to set up the TaskMagic Chrome extension and where to use it in your automation software. First, get the Chrome extension. Click on the link in the description to go to GitHub, where TaskMagic have the extension files. Then click the green code button and select Download Zip. After downloading, open the zip file to access the regular file. Next, open the Google Chrome extension page. At the top, switch to developer mode by clicking on it. On the left side, click on Load Unpacked. This will open your computer's folder. Find the folder that is inside the main folder and select it. The extension will upload and you should see it as the first one in the list. To see the TaskMagic icon, open the extension details to find the pin to toolbar setting. Click to open it and now you should see the TaskMagic icon at the top. Now go to the website where you want to save the login. Log into the website and then click on the TaskMagic icon and you will see a button to copy the cookie. Open your TaskMagic software on your computer and find the automation you want to add this cookie to. Click on Advanced Setting for that automation. Then find Add Cookie and click on it. After that, click the button to add the cookie. You'll see the cookie listed with the URL of the website where you want to save the login details. Then save. Set the trigger by clicking on it. Select List. Then click on Google Sheets and manage Sheets connection. Now paste the Google Sheets URL and choose the sheet we've been working on. Once you see the columns, click Looks Good and then click Continue to return to the automation. Click Add Step and you'll see the TaskMagic control panel and Chromium border. Go to the backend of your website and open a new affiliate link post, which you created using the Advanced Custom Field plugin. Copy the URL, go back to the TaskMagic panel and paste the URL in the first step. Wait for it to open your website. You should be logged in if you added the cookies. If not, log in quickly and you should see the correct page. Add a delay. The length depends on your hosting. If your hosting isn't fast, it's very important to add as many delays as needed. Choose the type step and click on the title of the page. Then write title and confirm. Go to the panel, find the type step, delete the title text, and click on the turtle symbol to add the variable from your Google Sheets. You should see a list of all the fields from your sheet. I like to add the word AppSumo to the name of the product, so I know the product is from AppSumo. Next, record another type step for the first field, which is supposed to be the name of the product as it will appear on the page, and change it to the variable with or without extra text. The next step is to upload both the screenshot and the QR code images. The second image is a bit tricky. First, record a click on the button to upload first image. After you confirm, you should see the gallery of images on your website. Record another click on the Upload Image tab. Then record a click on the button to upload an image. You can upload any image. It doesn't matter because you can delete it afterward. This is to create the automation. Before you continue, go to the control panel and find the click on the Upload button. Click on the three dots, then select Change Step Type. In the list, find the upload option. Click on the content of the step and change it to the correct column from your Google Sheets, which should be the path for the image from your computer. I would also rename the step so I know it's for uploading the screenshot. After uploading the image, make sure to add a delay so the image has enough time to fully upload. You can also add some alt text and a description for better SEO and easier image management later. This part is optional, but I recommend it. If you'd like to add the alt text or description, record a type step on the alt text box or any other text field you want to update. Type something and confirm the step. Then change the text to the correct column from your Google Sheets, and you can add extra text if you like. For example, I use a product name, and sometimes I add extra text that stays the same for all products. In this case, I might add AppSumo to indicate the product source. After that, record a click step on the select button and add another delay to ensure the image has enough time to upload to your website. For the next image upload, I ran into an issue where whenever I click the button to upload the QR code, it kept selecting the first button meant for the screenshot image. To fix this, I had to use something called Selector to tell TaskMagic to focus on the second button instead of the first. I'll show you now how to set this up. First, open a new post on your website on regular Chrome, the same post type you're working on with TaskMagic automation. Then click on the three dots in your Chrome browser and select More Tools. In the list, find Developer Tools. This will open a panel on the side with code. But don't worry if you're not familiar with coding. I'm not either. You just need to click on the element you want to focus on in the code. Right-click on the element you want, then select Inspect from the menu. On the side, you'll see the code where the element is highlighted. Right-click on the highlighted part and from the menu, choose Copy. In the list of options, select Copy Selector. Now go back to TaskMagic Automation. After you've recorded the click that you want to change, click on the three dots of the click step. Find Update Selectors and delete all the selectors that are already there. Paste the selector code you copied from the inspections. This should now work, and it will select the correct button for uploading the image. Now repeat the process to record all the other clicks and typing just like we did for uploading the other image. After you have the images, continue filling in the other fields using the correct columns from your Google Sheets and type step. You can record selecting the category. This will set one category for everything you upload. If you are uploading the same kind of product together, this is helpful. You can choose to change the category each time you run the automation for different kinds of product. To do that, record clicks on certain category and name the steps after the categories. Then disable all of the steps except the one that you need for this automation. Then in the future, when you run the automation for products in the same category, you can select the right category from the list and just enable the step for that category. Alternatively, you can skip recording the category click entirely. You can also use the filter step to choose which step to go to for the category, but I won't get into it right now. The last step is to save the post. To do this, record a click on the publish button. Sometimes when you click publish, a note will appear before publishing. If you don't want an extra step, you can remove the option that shows the window without recording the step. If it catches the step, just delete it and it will publish without another click. If you prefer to have two steps for publishing, you can leave it as is and record another click on the second publish button. It's important to add another delay to give it enough time to publish. Play through the steps to see if everything is working fine. Most of the time when it gets stuck, it's because it didn't have enough time to process the previous step. If sometimes it's stuck, add as many delays as needed to give it time to process. Check that it's clicking on everything it needs to and typing the correct text. If it's not typing the right text, it's likely because it's pulling from the wrong column. Change it to the correct column, and this should fix the issue. If it's not selecting the right button for image upload, repeat the part with the selectors. You may need to record that step again. If you added steps for updating the Google Sheets with the URL you scraped, make sure to set it again every time you add delays or other steps to the automation. Once everything is working correctly, go back to the trigger and adjust the loop row to how many you want to process in one set. Click continue, then set the line at the top to full, so the automation starts and finishes properly each time. Let it run until it finishes, and then be ready for the next step. That's it for uploading all the product to the custom post type. The next step is to create a template for the custom post type, so you can show the products on your website in consistent way without having to design it each time. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.